Hi guys, I'm Lori Ballen, and today I want to show you how to use ultimate shortcodes in combination with WordPress Gutenberg to improve the user experience by allowing for a table of contents, paragraph headings, and a back to top divider. Now, a lot of us are just now getting Gutenberg functioning on our websites. And let me just tell you that you need to be using a theme that is Gutenberg friendly because there are a lot of glitches still as this is rolling out, okay? Now, what I'm going to show you here is on how to use the table of contents and the divider. Now, let me show you what this looks like. I have got I've got 2,000 words of text done. Now I'm going in and I have just now started on the user experience. I'm adding images, I'm adding video, I'm adding graphs, I'm adding links, I'm adding quotes, I'm adding colors, and I just now created my table of contents, okay? Now, your table of contents is going to be automatically created for you from your paragraph headings right here. See these paragraph headings? Okay. I use Table of Contents Plus as a plugin, and I have set it in my settings to say use my H2 tags as the table of contents. So that's what happens. It automatically populates. And in my settings, I set it as long as I have 4 or more heading 2 tags, H2 tags, create a table of contents. So here you go. Now what happens is when a user, and this is fantastic on mobile, guys, let's just say they're reading a blog all about, this one is 10 safe and effective link building techniques. But let's just say this user really only wanted to learn about guest blogging. And when they did a search on guest blogging backlinking, this blog post appeared. They don't want to read all this stuff at the top. So they can click right here on guest blogging and shoot straight down to just that section. Now, once I'm done with my copy editing, this is going to be a lot more robust. It's going to have images or videos or samples or links to more training or links to a course, or it's going to have a bunch more info. It's also right here going to have a divider that allows it to shoot back up to the top. Let me show you what that looks like. Let me go to see where this says go to top. Now, once the person is done reading that paragraph, they can quickly jump back up to the top and they can now find another segment or watch the video or click the call to action. And this is a quality user experience. This also increases clicks and engagement on the page, which is a quality signal to Google. It indicates to Google that you have created a quality user experience for that consumer, which is going to be a benefit if you're trying to rank on the search engines, okay? So my goal is create a quality user experience for the customer. As a byproduct, Google will reward this page of content by moving it up further in the rankings for that particular phrase that the user was searching for in the first place. This is all part of Google Rank Brain algorithm, okay? Now, these are simple, guys. These are simple techniques that you can apply right now that can help create a quality user experience. Now, in Gutenberg, they have not given us yet, as of today, this just rolled out, they have not given us the ability to add this back to top divider. What they've given us the ability to do is you can click here. We can click add a content block. Whoops, sorry about that. Let me go back to where I was. We can go here, click the plus sign, and then glitchy, 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 glitchy. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can go to the bottom and do it. Add. All right, hang on. Let me save this draft again. Okay, hold on. I'm going to go back into my posts. There we go. Now I've got my editor back to where I wanted it to be. It was squirrely a minute ago. Okay, let me, right here, click here, plus sign. Now, Gutenberg will allow us to add a separator. See that? But that is just a small, simple line in between paragraphs. You can do that, but personally, I don't feel that's the best user experience. I'm going to get rid of it. And instead, I'm going to add a block I've already created that's in my reusables that's called divider. So every time I just come in here and I grab my divider with back to top and I paste that in there and that gives it to me. Now to create that for the very first time, you're going to want to have the plugin called Shortcodes Ultimate. Check out my link in this video for a link to Shortcodes Ultimate. You can use the free version or you can upgrade if you want additional like YouTube Advanced features or additional skins, things like that. So all I have to do is go to where I have not done it yet, and I'm going to go to add a content block. And now we're going to add a shortcode. Okay. I'm going to go over to my Shortcodes Ultimate. Whoops. Okay, let me go back to where it's at. Sorry. Available shortcodes. And here are all your available shortcodes and their codes. Okay. I'm going to go to the divider right here. See it? Divider. All right. Now, by default, this is the color. This is the code. Now, here are your options, and you can go in if you want to and change this code to be the color that would be best for your website. See where it says link color? You would just paste in your color code. Watch my video on Canva branding so that you can see how to set up your color boards and save them and get these numbers that you need. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to go back into my blog here, and I'm going to paste that shortcode right in there. Okay, so section is local business directories. Let's go over to preview, and I can show you where this came out. Shoot down to local business directories, and there it is. So now the user can click go to top. They go right back up to the top, and this is the best for a quality user experience. Now, there are plenty of ways you guys use shortcodes and add shortcodes. I'm just showing you the one way where you can grab those shortcodes from Shortcodes Ultimate. Thank you. I'm Lori Ballen, creator of the Ballen Method training course for ranking on the search engines and on social media, and owner of Ballen Brands, a marketing company. And I am a digital marketing strategist, and I hope you enjoyed this training.